That is oh so cheesy.
I'm interested to know, why wouldn't you go vegan?
Cheese, it's just so good.
Dairy's a big part of my diet.
I just can't really lose that from my life at the moment.
What's your favourite cheese?
I love a good cheddar.
It was cheddar for me too. When I first went vegan 10 years ago, like many of you, I was apprehensive about giving up cheese. Luckily, we're living in a time when we have access to so many great vegan cheese options. And here are just 5. As you can see, there is a huge variety of vegan cheeses, and these are just some of them. There's more across Australia, so you won't be giving up your favorites like pasta and pizza. All right, we've got mozzarella, we've got cheddar, we've got parmesan. Let's make a classic 3-cheese toast. If you know, you know, a classic 3-cheese toastie is so nostalgic for Aussies, and this one's made entirely with plants.
My God.
A 3-cheese vegan toastie, fresh off the toaster. Oh, that cheese! Just as melty, just as good. This is VegKit's very own bechamel mac and cheese recipe. It's a favorite of mine. It's also a crowd pleaser. This is so cheesy, so good.
In the kitchen, always taste test, but I can tell you now, this is tasting so good. And you can get this recipe on the VegKit website under the bechamel mac and cheese.
Bon appetit!
Can you pass the parmesan?